Hey guys, this is going to be a video showing you how to summarize a article or source in 1 to 2 sentences. So, first of all, you're going to have to read the article. I'm not going to read the article just because of time's sake, but here's the article. And it is mainly about what the title says, sociopath versus psychopath, what's the difference? And it gives the differences. So, what I would say, first of all, is this source, sociopath versus psychopath, what's the difference, is about the differences between psychopaths and sociopaths. That may seem very simple, but it is true. That's what it's about. That's one sentence. And then I can say the specifics. This article states that psychopaths do not have a conscience and they have the ability to act very much like normal people. As for sociopaths, they do have a conscience, but it's very weak. And surprisingly, they don't really have a very great ability of acting normal. If they're not interested in you, they're going to show that they're not interested. And those are like 1 to 2 sentences, and it just shows you exactly what it's about. That is exactly what the whole thing is about, and you didn't have to read the whole article to figure that out. But yes, read the article and then pick out the main points of the article, and that is how you summarize an article or a source in 1 to 2 sentences. I hope that this helped. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me through your Trinity College email or schedule an appointment at trinity.mywconline.com for further assistance.